Hey there, Alicia. Welcome to class. Today I will cover how to do side crow to Eka Pada Koundinyasana. And both of these poses are advanced asymmetrical arm balancing postures, so I definitely recommend warming up your wrists and your core and your arms and shoulders before practicing these postures. Maybe try running through a couple of sun salutations just to get some movement and life in the body before attempting these. So once you're ready, meet me on the mat. Join me in a kneeling position. You'll start by lifting up onto your toes, and then depending on, you should pick a side. So depending on which way you want to go, you're going to, and I'll turn to the side so you can see. You'll lift up on your toes. You'll turn to the side, and then you're going to place your hands flat on the mat. Spread the fingers out nice and wide. Point your fingers pointing forward. And our goal here is to create 2 points of contact from the back of the triceps. You're going to place your knee to the back of one tricep, and then your hip will be on the back of your other tricep. So once you make those points of contact, start to shift your weight forward. Gaze is forward as well. And then once you've created that shelf with your leg, start to lift up. Squeeze the knees in together, squeeze the feet in together, and draw them in towards your glutes. And what this will do is it'll activate your hamstrings. So this is side crow. Hold it here for a few breaths, and then gently start to come down. So that's side crow. Now we're going to transition from side crow to Eka Pada Koundinyasana. So I'm going to switch to the other side just to balance it out. And I'll also turn diagonal so you can see me. So Eka Pada Koundinyasana is also known as flying splits. So essentially what you're doing is you're getting into a side crow and then you're opening the legs up. And what this does, it creates a really beautiful posture, and you're extending the legs long. Point your toes, and this will create a more energetic posture, and you really feel that strength. So once you're ready, up on your toes, turn to, I'm turning to the other side, but you can pick your side. Again, we're making those 2 points of contact, placing the hands down about shoulder distance apart. Spread the fingers out nice and wide to create that nice stable base. Our 2 points of contact are your knee and your hip. So create that shelf with the body, really activate the hands here. Squeeze the knees in, point, and then extend your bottom leg forward and then the top leg back, and then point your toes. Keep the gaze forward, hold it here. Once you're ready, bring the feet back together, knees back together, and slowly lower down. All right, give it a try. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll break down those postures for you. If this helped you, like and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future. Again, my name is Alicia. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.